creating stunning content starts with the right gear. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best tripod for YouTube videos that help you capture steady, high-quality footage effortlessly. Let's find the perfect match for your creative needs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Eucos Phone Tripod. The Eucos Phone Tripod delivers an impressive combination of strength, versatility, and user-focused design. Crafted using advanced nylon 6/6 material, the tripod is built to endure with a shell that offers high resistance to crushing and shearing, making it both durable and lightweight. This cutting-edge construction makes it suitable for creators who need equipment that performs well in various environments. The inclusion of a fast aluminum ring lock allows for quick and secure setup, so users can stabilize the tripod within seconds, an essential feature for on-the-go filming. Designed to serve dual purposes, the Eucos Phone Tripod can function as both a selfie stick and a standard tripod. It's compatible with iPhones and supports action cameras, DSLRs, and GoPros via a universal 1/4-inch screw mount. Whether you're shooting casual Instagram reels or professional YouTube videos, this tripod adjusts to meet every level of content creation. Ideal for vlogging, FaceTime, TikTok, or group selfies, its flexible form factor makes it a reliable choice for any user. What enhances its usability even further is its easy framing mechanism. With an adjustable mount adapter, it offers multiple angle positions, including horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree views, allowing for creative and dynamic shots. The Eucos Phone Tripod also includes a wireless remote, enabling hands-free operation for solo creators. From high-angle group shots to stable time-lapse videos, this tripod provides both flexibility and ease. Whether used at home, in a studio, or during travel, the Eucos Phone Tripod delivers solid performance in a compact, lightweight frame. Number 2. Victiv Phone Tripod. The Victiv Phone Tripod is more than just a tripod. It's a complete content creator's toolkit. It comes fully equipped with a shotgun microphone, ultra-bright LED light, and an adjustable tripod, making it perfect for vloggers, podcasters, and YouTubers who need a portable studio solution. Included in the package is a certified MFI Lightning adapter compatible with iPhones 14 and below, with an optional USB-C adapter available for newer iPhones. This ensures compatibility across multiple devices. The standout feature here is the high-quality directional shotgun mic, which captures crisp and clear audio for professional-sounding content. Whether you're on a bustling street or filming indoors, the Victiv Phone Tripod ensures your audio remains focused and sharp. The setup also includes a flexible tabletop tripod with a universal phone mount, a rechargeable LED light with 3 brightness settings, and a rail mount bracket to support additional accessories like external mics or lights. Designed for portability and ease, the Victiv Phone Tripod is ideal for those always on the move. Its intuitive setup process ensures quick assembly, making it perfect for spontaneous shoots or live streams. For iPhone users who want to turn their smartphone into a full-fledged production rig, this tripod offers every necessary tool in one streamlined package. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, hosting Instagram Lives, or capturing TikToks, the Victiv Phone Tripod keeps your setup professional and efficient. Number 3. Movo Vlogging Kit. The Movo Vlogging Kit redefines what it means to shoot high-quality mobile video content. Built with a tall, reinforced aluminum alloy tripod, it extends to an impressive 86 inches when including the gooseneck, providing creators with excellent vantage points for a wide variety of shooting scenarios. Designed for maximum flexibility, the gooseneck adds another 13.78 inches of bendable reach, making it easier to adjust for that perfect angle. The 360 degrees rotating phone clip supports both portrait and landscape shooting, allowing users to switch seamlessly between social platforms like TikTok and YouTube. The integrated cold shoe mount adds another layer of versatility, enabling users to attach external lighting or microphones for a studio-like experience, even when shooting on the go. The universal phone holder works with nearly all smartphones and is especially useful for newer iPhone and Samsung models. With the included wireless remote, you can trigger shots or start recording from up to 33 feet away, making solo filming much more manageable. Beyond phones, the Movo Vlogging Kit supports a variety of gear through its 1/4 screw thread, including webcams, DSLR cameras, and compact camcorders. Whether used as a selfie stick or a full-size tripod, its compact foldable design and included carrying bag make it extremely travel-friendly. The Movo Vlogging Kit stands out as a multifunctional, creator-centric tool that's equally suited for daily vlogs, remote meetings, or capturing your latest travel adventure. Number 4. Liphisy Phone Tripod. The Liphisy Phone Tripod is built for photographers and videographers who need rock-solid stability and flexible shooting options in one device. Constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy and stainless steel, this tripod is not only durable, but also offers a secure grip for your device during still photography or video recording. With a maximum height of 64 inches and a highly adjustable base, it allows for a wide range of angles and perspectives. The 210-degree rotation head and 360-degree phone holder give you complete creative control, whether you're shooting vertically for stories or horizontally for full-screen content. Adjusting the height is effortless, thanks to the tripod's reliable locking system that ensures stability during setup. The Liphisy Phone Tripod includes a convenient wireless remote, which pairs quickly with smartphones, allowing for hands-free photo and video capture. This feature is a huge benefit for solo content creators or those filming group scenes. Compatible with a wide array of smartphones and even lightweight cameras, the Liphisy Phone Tripod adapts to whatever equipment you're using. Whether you're setting it up at home, in a studio, or out in nature, its portability and lightweight frame make it easy to carry. Perfect for YouTube, travel photography, or casual social media content, this tripod offers exceptional value for creators seeking reliability and functionality without the premium price tag. Number 5. Sensyne Phone Tripod. The Sensyne Phone Tripod is a thoughtfully designed two-in-one tool that functions as both a stable tripod and a selfie stick, catering to a variety of content creation needs. With an impressive height range that extends up to 62 inches, it ensures optimal flexibility for photographers, vloggers, and live streamers alike. Whether you're recording solo or with a group, this tripod helps you get the perfect shot. Its 360-degree rotation and adjustable angles allow for a dynamic filming experience, letting users easily switch between vertical and horizontal modes. The tripod's universal phone holder supports smartphones ranging from 2.8 to 5.7 inches wide, ensuring compatibility with most modern devices. Additionally, a 1/4-inch screw mount provides the option to attach cameras, action cams, and webcams, making it ideal for multi-device users. Portability is another strong suit. Lightweight and collapsible, the Sensyne Phone Tripod is easy to carry on trips or to use for impromptu shoots. Whether you're filming YouTube content, going live on Instagram, or joining a Zoom call, the Sensyne Phone Tripod provides steady support and user-friendly operation. From family gatherings to professional shoots, this tripod adapts to your lifestyle and enhances your production quality every step of the way.